Welcome guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. First of all, it has been a hot minute. I have not recorded anything since the pandemic, but I'm back and I'm here to stay. God has been so freaking faithful. And so I'm about to give you guys an empty luxury apartment tour because your girl got her a new spot and a new job, and guess what? Your girl is in a new city. So all right guys, so what you are looking at is my old room. This is the room I was in before I moved into my new luxury apartment. God is so good. So yeah, so you're just looking at my bed. That's pretty much all I had in that room. And my little closet. You see I got the little hanger right there because I literally cleaned everything out before I moved out. But yeah, that's pretty much all I had before I got my apartment. Let's go back. All right guys, so this is my door to my apartment. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the lights because I want you guys to get the full effect. This is the little light. It's a little dim, but that's cool. So this is my living room area. I am gagging because it is absolutely gorgeous. And I'm very lucky because this apartment actually has like brand new spanking new carpet. So your girl's the first to try it out, but let me just go ahead and show you guys. This is the living room. Bam! Look at the kitchen. Ah! I'm so thirsty. Okay. So this is my kitchen area. But before we get there, I want to show you guys the closet because it's only fair to give you guys a full-blown apartment tour. Okay, but look at the freaking kitchen. Shout out to my apartment because this is so cute. Welcome home, Pearly. I'm actually gonna probably make this the Wi-Fi board moving forward, but this is definitely gonna get drunk within the next week. So shout out to my property manager. Look at my kitchen. Love the sink. One of these are like the disposal thing, so that's cool. And then look, I have a dishwasher. Your girl has never freaking had a dishwasher in her life. Look at God. Then I got the cute little under lights, which are so cool. These are my cabinets. Not that you guys really care, but you know, for the girls who are very into detail, why not? This is my beautiful microwave and my electric stove. I actually really love these stoves. I had one in my old apartment, and I thank God that I have this one because I think it's so easier to clean. And I live for the look of it. So this is that. This is my fridge. Baby, I literally, like, this is completely empty. The apartment is empty. The fridge is empty. I put on the ice maker. It made ice. I love ice. So if you can't tell. But yeah, so that is the fridge. And then I have my cute little, chips and cereal little closet, which is pretty cool. Guys, so let me tell you, I really love these lights first of all because they're super bright. I'm a bright light girl. But those are actually also a Bluetooth speaker. So yeah, I can actually connect my phone to that and it plays music, which is really cool. All right, so we are gonna go ahead and head outdoors. I'm so excited. This is insane. God is so faithful. Gotta unlock it first. Guys, what the freaking heck? I have a whole freaking patio. Like, this is insane. Look at God. Look at all this space. Like, your girl definitely got to get a little baby grill because, I love to, grill my little veggie burgers and sausage. And I got a little closet. What a freaking light. Are you kidding me? Just found that out. But yes, I could store, like, stuff, say if it's raining or anything that's outdoor, but just store it in the closet, I can, which is super duper cool. Guys, so this is my patio, and we are coming back into the AC because it's literally 90 plus degrees outside. Ain't nobody got time for that. All right, so check out your girl. Your girl got a full, what is this? a full washer. Like, God is faithful. And a dryer. Yes, your girl got a full washer and dryer, so it's lit. Let me take y'all to the bathroom. Hi. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. If y'all only knew, I have been going through hell and back, but God is faithful. So and I just came from a conference, that's why it's giving this full effect, but like a little belt showing. Very cute outfit with little earrings. Get into it. Okay, so I'm not crazy about the lights. I feel like they could be brighter, but pick your battles, okay? Pick your battles. Pick your battles, okay? So yeah, so this is my amazing bathroom. And my landlords did not give me this. I actually just bought this from, Okay, so yeah, but no, I actually bought this from Target. I thought this was so cute. And it was perfect because I don't have any toilet paper. So I was like, oh, let me just put this in the bathroom for now. But yeah, this little, let me show you. This is just the tissue cover. I think it's absolutely adorable. My toilet is acting weird, but yes. Listen, I have a tub and whatnot. Anyone who knows me knows I love taking baths. So super duper excited about that. This is where all the magic will not be happening. But look at my room. I'm so excited. This is so crazy. So yeah, so this is my 1-bedroom. Super duper excited. I mean, the space is literally more than enough. And then check out your girl closet. Are you kidding me? God, no, he was showing out. He was like, but wait, Pearly, there's more. So yeah, so this is my closet. And I love it so much. I already bought like a little thing from Target, or I want to put my clothes in. Well, actually, I think I might put it right here. So yeah, so we'll see. But way more than enough space for me to put my things, my shoes, and love this. So because I'm a hanger girl, so this is amazing. Way more than enough. So yes, guys, this is my empty apartment tour. I hope you guys. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching my empty apartment tour. I'm so excited to bring you guys on this journey. I'm just like, I'm overwhelmed. I can start crying, but who about to start doing that? For a week, so why would I cry on camera? It's dumb. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Again, I'm super blessed, and I hope that this motivates you guys, because if God can do it for me, he can do it for you. But tune in for the fully furnished apartment tours coming soon. Bye.